But I just wanted to come back and show you guys exactly what happened. So I think I burned my skin, or I think I burned my edges.
Gotta be God, it's gotta be Jesus. Gotta be God, gotta be Jesus. Oh my God.
Good morning, beautiful people, and what's up? It's your girl Alicia, and I am back with another video. So guys, I just took out my goddess braids, like literally fresh out. My hair is super duper dry and dirty, just a whole bunch of buildup. So I actually wanted to do a pre-poo with you guys today. It's going to be a DIY homemade pre-poo. It's going to be a lot of good ingredients in there, so just stay tuned and see the finished results. Okay, so now that my hair is semi-combed out, whatever, let me tell y'all what we are about to do. So I don't know if you guys watched my other video about like me having dandruff in my scalp. If you haven't, stopped playing, go back and watch it. But my scalp gets super duper dry and just, it has a lot of buildup. Like, y'all, it's serious. So yeah, and it's just, yeah, I'm just kind of tired of it. And I've had my hair up for well, not necessarily in the braids, but I haven't had my hair out for a whole month. I went from having, yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's just bad, y'all boys. Yeah. So for my pre-poo, I'm actually going to be using cinnamon, baking soda, olive oil, and coconut oil. And I'll definitely, you know, just let you guys know some of the benefits, because I'm new to this. I literally found this on Pinterest. So yeah, I found this scalp detox mask treatment recipe on Pinterest. It says exfoliate to get rid of dead skin, unclog your pores, and remove any buildup to stimulate hair growth. It says baking soda, cinnamon powder, olive oil, and I just want to add coconut oil just for moisture. Like, my hair is super duper dry. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make it. So yeah, I'll tell y'all the benefits and all that great stuff while I make it. Alright guys, so I'm starting with about maybe a tablespoon full of cinnamon. And then I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm definitely adding a little bit more of the coconut oil because I definitely want this pre-poo to be moisturizing to my scalp. The cinnamon is for blood circulation within my scalp. Then I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Again, this is just to add moisture for my dry hair that has been in my braids for a long time. Now I'm gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So baking soda is gonna be used as the cleansing base for just to clean my scalp. And yeah, I'm just following the Pinterest recipe, and this is something that they said would be good to, you know, cleanse and clarify my scalp. So that's what I'm doing. Alright y'all, so I am fully done oiling my scalp. I don't have a shower cap, so I'm about to use my handy dandy plastic bag. And I think I'm going to I don't know, it's tingling a little bit, so I don't know exactly what's going on or what. It could be the baking soda and the cinnamon, or it could be that I scratched some parts of my hair before, but all I know is that my scalp is like tingling, a little burning. So if I come back and all my hair is gone, well, we tried. But I'll be back. I would say leave it on for 30 minutes, but it's late. Like, it's 7 o'clock and I don't really like to wash my hair late at night. So let's see if I can bear through all of this to wash my hair tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it is the next morning. I just like worked out and everything, so I am about to take this bad boy out. I'm hoping it's still saturated. So I know I said it was tingling. Eventually it stopped, and it only like started tingling if I started scratching it. So yeah. Ooh yeah, buddy. I see we have some cinnamon here. I put a lot of cinnamon. Look, y'all, I'm learning just as y'all. Whew. But yeah, I want to just kind of check on this because while I'm taking a shower, I want to wash my hair as well. So that's why I just came here straight off of working out. Because I'm not about to go in no water spice. Alright, let's check this bad boy out. Woo! Wowzers! I'm really not sure if it's supposed to look this way, but then again, I was sweating, you guys, so that could be sweat on my forehead. Well, that's not even really my forehead. But yeah, this is how it's looking right now. I'm afraid to even like touch it. Yeah, this is how it's looking. So what I'm gonna do is, oh yeah, I was really sweating. I'm just gonna take this apart. Yeah, my hair is super duper damp right now, and that's because of the humidity of me working out, and it's hot as heck right now. So yeah, I was working out outside. And just to kind of ensure that my scalp is like squeaky clean, or some type of squeaky clean. I wish I had my other comb. Where's my other comb? Let me go get my other comb, because this little thing ain't gonna work for me. I'm gonna use my hair massager thing. Time will go by so much quicker with this. This is really gonna just kind of exfoliate the gunk off of my hair. So I parted it, and now we're gonna go right on in that bad boy. Yeah, so my scalp is looking good. Let's just double check. But I just wanted to come back and show you guys exactly what happened. So I think I burned my skin, or I think I burned my edges. So, bruh. You guys see this? That's like a whole scab. Like, I'm pretty sure I could pick this off. I know I shouldn't be, but yeah, so I burned my scalp with like the treatments that I did and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure it's because of the baking soda pre-poo that I did. I just knew like my scalp felt raw, like it was burned or whatever. So y'all don't be like me. I mean, well, then again, I'm here to tell y'all it's a no, it's a fail, or it's just not good to keep it on like for a long time. It probably is good for the scalp, but I probably won't do it ever again, to be honest. So yeah. my scalp is like a couple days later after oiling it, but just look at it. This is what my scalp is looking like, completely burned. It's looking like I got a perm or whatever, but yeah. Why nobody ain't tell me not to do this? I don't know. It's just a lot right now. And I'm a picker, so I know I'm gonna end up like really picking this bad boy. Yeah. That's the update till I take out my hair. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. Let me get y'all the tea. So the pre-poo was good, but I left it on too long. I burnt my scalp. So instead of me actually like really like clearing my scalp and not having any buildup, it's worse. I wouldn't say it's worse, but my scalp is dry, it's very flaky and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just say I'm not gonna try it again. Even if I just leave it in for 3 minutes, I'm not doing a pre-poo with the baking soda and everything and stuff like that. Like, I'll even put in a picture to show you guys like how the front of my hair was looking when I started picking it and everything, whatever. So yeah, I'm not stoked that I burnt my scalp, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the fam. Stop playing, man. So yeah, also, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, y'all be sure to check out my 10-minute makeup challenge, okay? So yeah, that is all, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Stay blessed through all of this. Try and keep your spirits up. Love y'all. Bye.